Hi guys, welcome back, and today I will explain how to use structures. Structures are again a very powerful method in C which enable you to, rather than write code all over again, use three variables of a whole group. This will make more sense in the following example. In the following example, I want to make a clock which will keep record of the time and change time accordingly. For instance, if the minutes are 60 minutes, then the hour gets increased. If the seconds are 60 seconds, the minute gets increased. So I'll start like this: struct time int secs for seconds, int minutes for minutes, and int hours for hours. And now I will have a function. You remember functions, right? This is a structure function which will update the time accordingly. So this function takes in an argument called struct time now. Now is a variable of type struct time. Okay, so if I want to access seconds of the group, I will add the variable name separated by a period, and then the member name. So this will be plus plus. Seconds are increasing. Okay, if now dot seconds equal to 60, then now dot seconds will become 0, and the minutes, let's just change seconds to seconds here rather than seconds. So now dot seconds will be 0, and I will increase now dot minutes. Okay, now if now dot minutes is equal to 60, then now dot minutes is equal to 0, and the hours get increased. Okay, and if now dot hours is equal to 24, I'm using a 24-hour clock because it makes it easier to keep track of time rather than introducing the hectic PM and AM bit. So now dot hours is equal to 0. Okay, and now I will have a main function, which is our normal main function, void, as in it's void of all errors. So it's a good practice to always copy paste your function name. It is a good programming practice. It's not necessary, but I will say that you do it. So now I'm making variables called current and next, all of type struct time. Then I'm gonna ask the user to enter the time SS and scanf. Remember that Visual Studio asks for scanf underscore s, but normal C language just uses the scanf function. So, and I'm adding separated by a semicolon, so it's easier to take an input because the scanf function is expecting a semicolon to be inputted. And these are integers, and I will concatenate them to current dot pause, Control C, Control C, and Control V, and concatenate it to the rest, current dot mints, and finally current dot seconds. Okay, so it is expected the time, and now I will have next is equal to time, calling that time and passing current in it. So basically it took, sorry, this is update, it took this function update and passed current as the argument instruct now. Okay, and now I will give you the updated time is 2i, 2i meaning that it's expecting 2, and concatenating it again, and this is dot 2i, sorry for my mistake. And now I'm gonna add new line to just make it easier. Now this is next dot hours, next dot minutes, and next dot seconds. Then we will return 0. Wait, and in this we will return, this is wrong, sorry for my mistake, 4, the brackets are in there wrong. Now dot hours, and okay, now it works. So here we are, and this will return now. So fingers crossed, let's hope it works. And we have a bit of debugging to do. This will help you in your debugging practice. Got a semicolon here. Nope. Okay, and it builds just fine. It's asking to enter the time, and I will enter, it's 12, 23, 55. Look, it updated the seconds because it didn't need to update anything. Let's try again. This time we'll make sure that our conditions work just fine. This is 59, which will be updated to 60. It got updated to 60, so the minute got increased, so it works just fine. So thank you for listening and stay tuned. I hope you understood it.